Welcome to the Missouri Ethics Commission's Import Function tutorial series. This video will explain how to upload data from Microsoft Excel using the import function and template. For demonstrative purposes, in the previous video we entered example data into the import template for our itemized contributions received. Select Choose File. Then browse to your saved document. Click Open, then select Upload. If you receive an error message, read the message to determine what might have happened. Common solutions may include removing all commas from the data, making sure that no header rows were included in your copy and paste, formatting all fields as general, and saving the spreadsheet in a CSV format. Make any necessary changes and upload your data again. Once you have successfully uploaded your data, review the results and select Submit to send your information to the e-filing system. A verification screen will appear, displaying the information that was just imported in a grid at the bottom of the screen. Notice how the totals were brought forward from the incorporated data. Review and select Continue when complete. Now that we have imported our itemized contributions received, we can continue with our campaign finance report. Remember, the import function can also be used for the itemized expenditures made and contributions made sections. Be sure that you enter data for these sections into the correct worksheet on the Excel import template. Remember, the worksheets are listed at the bottom of the Excel spreadsheet. The first worksheet is for itemized contributions received. The second is for itemized expenditures made, and the third is for contributions made. You will follow the same steps for all three designated areas. This concludes our import function tutorial series. You can find links and other helpful resources in the description of this video. Be sure to tap the bell icon next to the subscribe button. This ensures you'll receive notifications as new MEC videos are posted. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.